Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross, back in the building with another one. And yo, check this out. We have a Timex unboxing. Shout out to my homie Omar out in Cali, you know what I'm saying? He made this possible for me, as I am a Timex fanboy. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I haven't looked at this yet. I haven't done nothing with it. It's just been sitting here all day. So now we finna get into it. Go family, we're about to unbox this Timex, but before that, check out the nails. Your boy got his nails done a week ago. You know what I'm saying? They still looking fly and fresh, you understand? But anyway, check this out, right? Let's go. And y'all can go subscribe to Omar's channel, Timeless Sneakers and Watches. He on Instagram and YouTube. He about to fire up his YouTube channel, so go show my man some love. All right, now here we go. There it is, yo. There it is. Timex Marlin. Okay. Todd Snyder edition with the green dial, gold plating. Yo, this is fly as hell. You know what I'm saying? On the genuine leather strap. 18mm strap, butterfly clasp, you know what I mean? But my man put the regular buckle here, you know what I'm saying? It actually came with it. Timex on this joint. Oops. This thing is so beautiful right here. So beautiful. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna agree with me on this. Understand? Look at that. Look at that. That is so freaking fly. You know what I mean? And again, shout out to my man Omar for making this happen for me. You know what I'm saying? I am a Timex fanboy. And I'm not ashamed of that. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we're gonna try it on the wrist right quick. So just hold on, y'all. But before we try it on the wrist, just to make this fitting, you know what I'm saying? I'm rocking the Timex Marlin right now with the butterfly clasp. You understand? Look at that. Look how flat that is. Let me zoom out. Look at that. This is from 1966. Still ticking, still going. But this is what your boy is rocking right now. Now we're finna put on Todd Snyder Timex. People, here it go on the wrist. Ain't that fly? I mean, damn. Have you seen a more vibrant green dial? You know what I'm saying? Like real talk. Look how that strap looks, boy. Whew. This is smoking hot. I'm trying to tell you. Nice. I'm loving it. I am loving this for sure. You know what I'm saying? Look, check this out, right? Put on this much more older brother with it too, you know what I'm saying? Let's do a little flossing right quick. You know what I mean? Let me see if I can get this on. You know what? Let's do it like this. Check it out. We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna put it on both one on one wrist and the other one on the other wrist, you know what I'm saying? Check it out. Yeah. Heavy. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Pete Ross with the unboxing. I hope y'all enjoy this. The Todd Snyder Timex Marlin in the building. And we out. Peace.